It appears that Tesla may have already started the 4680 battery cell production at Gigafactory, Texas. At least the stations to produce Tesla's 4680 battery cells are spotted inside Giga Texas. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel if you are here the first time, because we bring the latest from Tesla and electric vehicles every day. Stephen Loveday from Inside EVs has some details, images from recent drone footage captured at Tesla's upcoming Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, reveals 4 identical battery production stations that appear to be producing already Tesla's much known and much anticipated 4680 new battery cells. Not long ago, Inside EVs pointed out that Tesla received several large shipments of equipment for 4680 battery cell production at the new Texas Gigafactory. According to physics engineer Alex on Twitter, who shared the images on Twitter, the stations each perform various processes. He says he guesses that the particular station pictured are for electrode flag patterning, jelly roll winding, and current collector welding. While we can't say we have a thorough understanding of any of these processes, others who appear to be well versed on the subject elaborate on the stations and images in the Twitter thread, which I will have in the description of this video. And also Joe Techmeyer, our friend who has been regularly flying his drone at over Tesla Gigafactory Austin, says, I just uploaded 4 more close-in shots in high resolution. Check them out, and you are seeing Joe's videos from Tesla Gigafactory Austin, which seems to be producing Tesla's 4680 battery cells. For those unaware, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has made it clear that people can fly drones and take photographs at the automaker's factory sites. This is why we're able to share you drones through our friends, with credits to them who fly drones from Gigafactory Berlin, Gigafactory Shanghai, and Gigafactory Austin. While such images and video footages can sometimes expose potential issues at Tesla's facilities, they can also draw our attention to Tesla's production processes and progress. So these videos, the images that you're saying, it looks like these are electrode flag patterning machines, jelly roll winding, and current collector welding. Each station performs a few processes, and it appears that Tesla has already started the 4680 battery cells production at Gigafactory, Texas. This is a good news, or at least they seem to be testing. What is your impression, friends? Do you think they are still installing these machines or already test producing them? But this is good news, and I have some other news about Tesla batteries coming later on. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Please subscribe to this channel if you are here first time, so you can be updated when we have our next Gigafactory and Tesla battery and Tesla news. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Give us thumbs up, please, if you like this video, and share in social media. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. I would look forward to hearing your comments. What do you think about all of this? Have a wonderful rest of the day, and peace be with all of you and your families. And let's move on to our next story. There is a breaking news about Tesla Giga Berlin that was reported on Saturday, but kind of went unnoticed. Apparently, Tesla has shifted its goal for Giga Berlin. Tesla has changed its goal for Giga Berlin's timetable. RBB24, Brandenburg's public radio, reports on Saturday that Tesla does not expect any more deliveries from Giga Berlin in 2021. This is very important. It's not RBB reporting. It's not RBB saying Tesla will not have any deliveries in 2021. It's not us or the media reporting, but RBB has its own sources at Giga Berlin and reports that Tesla does not expect any more deliveries in 2021. This seems to me a big change for Tesla's goal for Giga Berlin. The news came from RBB, and I will have the link in the description of this video, friends. And in that news, the news was that the approval authorities that are going to give Giga Berlin the final permit to start the mass production are still waiting for documents from Tesla. And then they explained that the electric car factory Tesla does not have a final operating permit yet, and according to State Environment Agency, which is subordinate to the ministry, is currently working intensively on the procedure. However, Tesla has not yet received all of the documents requested by the approval authorities. Okay, and Axel Vogel said, "I'm not in Tesla's skin. I cannot judge how quickly this information will be given now by Tesla. Therefore, I cannot give a prognosis as to when it will then be finally approved." This is also in Tesla's history, that objections will not stop operations, and that the documents will be provided in an appropriate manner, in the right way. And then after that, RBB says Tesla does not expect any more deliveries in 2021. This is a big shift in my opinion. Tesla, RBB reports, had originally planned to start serious production of electric cars at Giga Berlin in Grünheide this year. This was Tesla's original plan. Now there is a shift of plan. Up to 500,000 are to be produced there annually, and the first expansion stage, of course, at Giga Berlin. For a few weeks now, however, RBB says the company has not been concerned with getting the delivery done this year. Serious production at Giga Berlin and the start of deliveries from Tesla Giga Berlin, quote, are no longer expected before the end of the year, even if vehicles are already being produced after approval has been granted, according to Tesla at the end of November. Environmental groups have tried several times to overturn early permits. Among other things, they fear problems with drinking water. Now, the approval authorities are waiting for Tesla Giga Berlin to submit the necessary papers in the appropriately accepted manner so the authorities can speed up the approval process. But what's interesting to me is that Tesla looks like Tesla realizes that it has a lot of work to do, a lot of paperwork to do, and Tesla does not expect any more deliveries in 2021. So what I'm saying, don't blame German authorities, don't blame Berlin. Tesla has work that needs to be done, and the authorities are waiting for that, and everything, in my opinion, will be done in appropriate manner, in the appropriate timeline. Tesla knows what it's doing, I'm sure, and let's just wait for it. Everything is being done in properly way. So safety and all concerned issues will be taken into consideration, and that the operations at Tesla Giga Berlin will probably start in January, or who knows, maybe even February. When do you think it will start, friends? Let me know. But I wanted to report this news, so we kind of don't have our hopes up too much that deliveries will start this year, and we just have to wait for 2022. But still, it's great timeline. I mean, considering how slow things can be in Germany with approvals, considering how long it took for the Berlin airport to come up and running. Now, this is of course a business, not a public government organization. It will be much faster, and even if Tesla starts the operation and deliveries of Giga Berlin in early 2022, I think this is still very good, and there is a lot of work done. Some needs to be done too, but I think everything will be on time. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Let me know your thoughts, friends, and let's move on to our next story. Please subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. Have a great day. God bless everyone. Peace be with all of you, and give us thumbs up if you found this report helpful. Let's move on to the next story. On December 15, I published a story about a possible upcoming merger talks and rumor that Tesla will swallow Daimler without asking. The news came from Karlsruhe insider analysts who made a forecast that Tesla-Daimler merger is upcoming and that Tesla will swallow Mercedes-Benz's parent company Daimler without asking. Now, I will have the description, the link reference of that report in the description of this video from the German publication, so you can see. But in this report, I'm going to tell you why this is not a good idea based on your comments some of you made under my report. Tesla buying any legacy automaker would be like trying a boat and anchor to a fighter jet, said one of you. Plus, there is no opinion that Daimler is way overpriced, as its gas business and dealership will cost too much to get rid of that side of the business. I would bet the quality of Mercedes maybe is better than Tesla, says one of you, but Tesla and other electric vehicles will wipe out Mercedes if Daimler doesn't speed up its electric vehicle plan and transform its business faster, which, to be fair, Daimler is trying to do with more electrification and battery plants and factories. Besides, Tesla buying another automaking is insanely unwise. If Tesla wants to buy a business, perhaps it should focus on several key energy companies, in particular those companies that are energy providers to Tesla gigafactories. We have heard rumors and in the media that Tesla soon will become the Amazon of energy business. Also, if Tesla buys Mercedes, consider this: shedding off the ICE, internal combustion engine business of Mercedes, will be an immensely time-consuming task that will take years. Why would Tesla get mired in that? There will be several brands available in the next few years without that baggage. Elon Musk has already said he will not do hostile takeover of any German car makers. However, he said he would have the conversation about that if any of car makers want to have that conversation. I believe German car maker would eventually realize it is in their best interest to start thinking seriously about a joint venture with Tesla before it becomes obvious that their time is up, unless they change and speed up the electrification. But keep this in mind: Tesla-Daimler cooperation doesn't have to be a joint venture. It all comes down to who has the best technology. Tesla can say to Daimler, if you want my technology, I will sell it to you, or I will license it to you. So why would I want to buy a potential customer, right? So what do you think about this, friends? Regardless these Tesla-Daimler merger rumors, I don't quite see the advantage for Tesla doing this. Why would Elon Musk want to deal with the unions of Daimler? Now, they're trying to avoid their own unions at Giga Berlin. I don't know what Tesla would gain from Daimler. More managers, more old machinery. I don't think this will happen. I bet at this point Daimler would like to be taken over so it is saved. I don't know, but not sure about Tesla. So a merger with Tesla is not a wise idea, because it would be like Elon Musk dragging a 50-pound rocket behind him wherever he goes, said one of you guys in the comment section. But there is also an opinion that you can just put Tesla drivetrain on the cars and keep selling them. In my next report, I will tell you why Tesla Daimler merger is a good idea. In this report, I said why it's not a good idea, but there is also lots of opinions, like putting a Tesla drivetrain on cars and keep selling them and using the 4680 batteries. But now that is coming in my next report later today. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please, friends, subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Have a wonderful day. God bless you, everyone. And let's move on to my next Tesla story.